$4.2 million, 830 horsepower, naturally aspirated V12. This is the ultra-rare Ferrari 12 Cilindri Amalfi and that insane Verde Dora green. And right now you're getting the most detailed walk-around on the entire internet plus the exhaust note everyone is dying to hear. Smash the like button if this color already has you weak. Let's go. Only a handful of these exist with the exposed carbon roof, and this exact spec pushes the price to $4.2 million before taxes. We're starting up front where Ferrari absolutely nailed it. Look at this grille, pure jewelry. The chrome surround is thinner than ever. The prancing horse is hand-polished, and these razor-thin LED daytime lights give it that angry stare. Under here, full carbon splitter, every weave perfect. Hood lines flowing like water, hidden air vents that only open above 200 kilometers H. And this Verde Dora paint, 3 years in development, changes color from teal to almost blue depending on light. Insane. 20-inch forged wheels, matte black with polished lip. Yellow calipers clamping carbon ceramic discs bigger than most dinner plates. Tires, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R basically glued to the road. Side profile. This is where grown men cry. The longest hood in any modern Ferrari. That perfect fast sloping roofline into the tail. And the exposed carbon roof with the Amalfi script. Pure sex on wheels. Rear end. Round LED taillights glowing like jewels. Centered chrome horse. Quad titanium exhaust tips ready to scream. And this carbon diffuser is so aggressive it looks illegal. Ferrari said no turbo hiss, only V12 music. Doors up, welcome to first class. Black leather with green stitching matching the body. Green seat belts, carbon everywhere. Dual 16-inch screens. And that red start button begging to be pressed. Seats feel like you're wearing the car. Alcantara headliner. Ambient lighting, glowing soft green. This interior alone costs more than a Lamborghini Huracan. Frunk first, yeah, it has one, massive for a Ferrari. Now at the main event, hood up. 6.5 liters, naturally aspirated V12 830, horsepower at 9,500 RPM. Red cam covers, polished intakes, zero turbo lag, zero excuses. All right, moment of truth. Key in, foot on brake, here we go. Let the cold start rip, full revs, no talking. Holy. That is why this car costs $4.2 million. A screaming naturally aspirated V12 in 2025. This is the last of its kind, and it sounds like the gods are angry. If this made your heart race, destroy the like button. Let's see 10,000 likes in 24 hours. Comment right now. Would you daily this beast or lock it away forever? Subscribe and hit the bell because next week we're firing up something even crazier. Dream big, drive safe. Peace.